after me, and I have to catch it. George!
Oh dear, George's hiccups are spoiling the game.
George, I'm not thinking of hiccups. You have to do what I say. Rub the top of your head and rub your tummy. Good. Now your hiccups are gone.
Peppa's cure for hiccups doesn't seem to have worked.
George, you've done it all wrong. Cure hiccups. The ill piggy must be given a shot. George, I'm going to scare you, but you must remember, it's only a game and it'll stop your hiccups. Remember, this is just pretend scaring. Sorry, Mommy. I was just trying to stop George's hiccups.
George's hiccups have gone.